Coding with Python Part 4, the calculator, by Vivaan. Goal. My goal is to make a calculator that can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Design. The design was IOPython. In Python, I use string variables, so variables with choice, a num1, a num2, s num1, s num2, and num1 and num2, d num1, and d num2. I use if, input, print, and def. Program. This is my program. So it's all the variables, if statements, and int. Test. Some of the errors were syntax and typing errors. An example of a typing error is missing parentheses. Rethink. If I were to do this project again, I would add more operations like area and print. If I were to do this project again, I would add more operations like area and print.
What was that?
If I were to do this project again, I would add more operations like area and print. Welcome to Vivaan's calculator. This is the operation. Please take a look. Once you're done looking, please choose your operation. Also, don't type two numbers that can make a fraction. Operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What operation do you want to use to calculate?
So what are you asking there?
So, like, which operation do you want to calculate?
Oh, okay. What are the choices?
Addition, everything in the operation menu.
Okay. And how do you know what to choose? Is it numbers?
No.
Is it a word?
It's over here. It's over here. I know what to choose because it's listed over here.
Oh, okay.
So if I type addition, it asks what is your first number. So it can be like a huge number.
Okay, let's keep it simple.
So like I'm gonna choose 6 for simple and basic.
Okay.
And what is your second number? I'm going to choose 10. And then what it will do is it will add the 2 and give you this, and it will print the sum for you, which is actually, I made a def code. And it is 16.
And can you restart the does it ask you to if you want to calculate something else, or do you have to rerun the code?
Yeah, you have to rerun the code.
What's that?
You have to rerun the code.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions?
Oh, you paused it.
He has a question.
What operation did you mean to do?
What? Like, but I did addition, for example.
Yes.
What?
Okay,
I did
just skip.
addition for
Just
an
skip,
example,
okay.
I did addition for an example.
Okay. Anyone else have questions for him? No. All right. Perfect. Let's give him a round of applause.